What up? What up? Time to lock in. We are looking at NQ today. It's a lot of good things that I see here. Um, the market's about to open. I should have started recording this sooner, but it's all good. So there's a lot. I want this blue line right here is the 1 hour. So I'm hoping that we get a good close up. Okay, so they want to take liquidity right now. I'm looking for shorts. There is a reversal zone that we are possibly coming out of to the downside right here. This blue line right here again is the 1 hour. Um, that's a 1 hour level. So this currently is a uptrend. So I'm expecting price to close below this level, maybe break this trend right here and come out the bottom of this reversal zone. So that's what I'm aiming for today, and they are pumping it way up there. Looks like a money grab though. Dang, this is the minute chart right here that we're on now. They are taking it. Are they gonna take all this liquidity here? Okay, there's a good reversal candle. Looks like. How high did that go? So they didn't take this liquidity over here. Okay, so this just looks like it was some manipulation right here. These are some big candles. But there's no major news today, so this is normally what the market would do. See VWAP curving up. I don't like that because I want to go short. And usually it takes a lot of volume to make the VWAP curve up like that. So we are going to wait around and see. I really want shorts. If we get a close below this 1 hour level right here and the VWAP and of course the 50, then we shall be good to possibly at least retest this 1 hour trend line right here, and then maybe price will continue up from there. But there's some good money from around this area. Maybe once we get below VWAP all the way down there, that's some great money. Let's see what that would be if we caught like the perfect entry. That's almost 1500 one contract, so that's perfect. So let's just sit back, see what's gonna happen. All right, so price is actually tapping this 1 hour right here, so that is expected because it is a strong level. So you can see the perfect tap. This is the 1 minute chart right here. So perfect tap. I want to get a bearish candle, which looks good. This is a strong bearish candle right here. Yeah, this is actually looking like a good setup for shorts. Hopefully it's not manipulation, but this to me looks like it's manipulation. Usually when these sessions like London, US, Asia, whatever, opens up, they like to go for liquidity quick. Okay, so this is good. We got like 45 seconds here. This is a good close below this 1 hour. Now in this area, this is another reversal zone right here. So we could get some chop going along there as well. So let's just see how this candle even closes. Got about 20 seconds left. Hoping for another big day. Can send this out to the group so everybody can eat. We had a great day yesterday. I didn't record that. I don't know why, but hopefully we can run it back today. So let's see. What's the 5 minute doing? So 5 minute is looking pretty bearish as well. It's already below VWAP. So this is here. So this is our setup right here. So what I'm going to do now is get my risk to reward. So now all I'm waiting for now is for them to make me a gap so I can enter. Not going to rush it. I'm just going to wait for price to give the setup that I want. This is my A+ setup. So usually I'll run like one or two of these a day. So if the first one's a loser, then I will run it back, right? Got to try to get my money back, but no more than two losses a day. So keep that in mind. No more than two losses. Should have very good risk management. But this is looking good. I like these bearish. Okay, here's a gap. Hopefully it doesn't close it. Okay, it's still there so far. Got a whole minute left. This one closed. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the next one. I'll be back. All right, told you I'm back. So we actually do have a gap. I can't believe I missed it. It's actually right below the 1 hour gap, which is perfect because price does like to retest that VWAP just a couple times. It's like a magnet. It's like a black hole, right? So we're gonna get an order in here. Maybe price doesn't come back to it. We got a lot of bearish momentum going on right now, but we'll see. Let me adjust this so I can send it out to everybody. Let's add 100, 300, 400. All right, we're good. Now we got all our TPs there. I'm looking for a 2-to-1. 2-to-1 is perfect with the uptrend from the 1 hour. From this line right here. So that still coincides with the uptrend that's going on, but there is money to be made while it retraces. So that's what we're aiming for today. Hopefully we can get a good pickup. But let's see. All right, we are tapped in here. I gotta adjust this quick because I need to send this out to the group. Let's put that down there. Okay, bam. All right, there we go. So now let me just get this straight. And I will send this out to the group. Hopefully some people can make some money off of this if it goes in our favor. All right, so let's just sit back and see what it does. All right, so we up a good amount right now. A great amount, actually. 1,200. You can see this. Put it in the screen over here in the corner, so you could see how we're doing. I'll keep it like that. Sorry for the guys who were in the inner circle, guys and gals and what have you. I sent the trade out in the wrong channel, but the trade was still sent. So I will do better. My bad, my apologies for that, but I know a couple of you still are in the trade with me. So yeah, let's make this money. All right, there go one. Yep, that one hit. So all right, got TP. One is hit. I'm gonna move this down. Actually, I'm gonna move this into profit already, just because we already just ate 296 ticks on the A plus entry, and it looks like it wants to smash the 5-to-1. Hopefully. It's been a while since we hit that. That'd be amazing to go ahead and tap that. Pause. All right, I'm just gonna let this run out, and there is the profits right there. You can see the first contract made 1485, and we got the runner now that is pretty much risk free. We're gonna try to tap this whopping 740 ticks. That would be an insane move, but we can do it with this strategy. It's very possible. Let me show you the 5-minute real quick. So the 5-minute, we are now below this trend coming out of this reversal zone, which is great for us. So just gonna sit back, let this do what it does, and once price gets to the maybe halfway between 3-1 to 4-1, I will move this down to 2-1 and secure this 296 ticks. So that's what I'm hoping is going to happen, but let's see. All right. So did hit our trailing stop there, which is all good because we secured well over 500 ticks on a risk-free trade. So that is almost 800 ticks. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. So I ran 2 contracts, as you can see here, 4,200 on the day, which is amazing money. I know some people in the group caught that trade as well. And it worked out exactly how I wanted it to. So let's just recap real quick. So this is the 5-minute chart. As you can see, this line right here was the 1 hour. I was expecting it to maybe come eat some of this and maybe look for longs, but it did respect it. And once price closed below this trend and below my reversal zone right here, I felt really confident about it, and we can see it on the 1 hour as well. Look at those closes. That's amazing. It may come down eventually. I wanted to secure profits. As you can see, we got pretty close to our TP, only probably 500. So yeah, about 100 ticks away. I was expecting it to maybe come hit this 5-1, honestly. Well, that's what I wanted, of course, and my pockets wanted. But all good, man. We ate today. I know some people in the group ate as well. 4,200. I could live with that for a couple hours of work. And yeah, if you want to trade with us, there's going to be a link in the description. Come join up. Me and my boy Juvier, we are doing some great things, and I am appreciative that he invited me to be a coach. So come get coached up. Lock in. So if you are looking for a journal, look no further. TMMT is the journal for you. So it's a complete trading journal designed for you. They actually have some really cool features. They can track your results. They have a great dashboard overview. The best thing is it's actually really affordable with all the great features of the other journals that are out there, but very competitive prices. 29 a month, it's not bad at all. Or they have a one-time fee of $2.99, which a lot of journals do not have this. The broker support, they are adding new brokers all the time, and you can see here what is supported, and they actually have some auto sync features to do all the work for you, so you don't have to write it down, use Excel sheet or a piece of paper and a pen or whatever have you. After you get in, you could just after you sign up, you just log in, and once you're in, it's going to bring you to your account on the back end, right? So this is going to be where all your trades are. So if we hit this add trade button, you can see you have three options. You can manually do it, upload an Excel sheet, or broker import with all these traders, brokers right here. And so let's do one. For example, you can upload this one. We'll go to desktop, and this is mine. So here we go. This is the one for the trade that we took today, actually. Yeah, this is the short trade that we took. All right, so now we're in there, and boom. So this is 1 day profits for today, right? 100% win rate. We can go back to that trade, and we could do things like add notes or whatever here. A plus setup. You could upload screenshots of that trade. I don't have one right now, but I will add one later, and it'll give us a nice pretty picture right here. And you can see here, this is the trade that we took today, the one we just uploaded. And if you go deeper into it, the overview, it'll tell you some cool things like so you don't have to do it. It calculates everything for you: long, shorts, intraday, multi-day, whatever have you. And there's detailed versions which digs even deeper to times, instrument that you trade, days of the week, things like that. You can go into the calendar and see a bird's eye view and see all the trades that you took for the month. You can click on this and see any comments, and I spelled setup wrong, but yeah, that's all good. So yeah, tmt.group is the journal that I recommend, and you can check it out.